as unbelievable as it may seem.
Jessa Jelinar, I'm 16 years old. My birthday falls on November 3, 1993. I'm living at a life in Manolo 14, Bukidnon. I'm a business administration student and my major is financial management.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael James Shire. I'm 15 years old. I was born in December 3 and I'm currently living in Sandig, but I was born in England. My major course is marketing.
College life had always been tagged difficult and new, especially for those who came not from the city and traveled as far as Bukidnon just to continue the pursuit of education.
Being a freshman for me is difficult because when I entered the school, I don't know what to do. I don't have friends, I don't have schoolmates rather. But I also felt excited because I can meet new friends, new faces, and new instructor.
But for a student who came from the city, it's not about adjustment in the place, it's about adjustment to the attention he may get.
Feeling of freshman, I think it's mixed emotion. I feel happy, excited, nervous and afraid because this environment for me is very, very new. This is college life now, not like back in high school. You can like do like everything, but during college it's like limited. So I better do my best here.
And one of the best things that one can do is doing things on her own without her parents to be with her side to do things for her.
Coba coba balik saya balik with the white one.
The people at CU is very fashionable, very friendly, easy to mingle with, and very intelligent. Some are snob, but I can easily join them with every activities.
And sometimes you have to take things on your own. Even big boys need to have experience doing things by themselves and knowing that you can do it and finish it well.
Feeling was like I was nervous, but then I was happy. And in the summary of my emotions, it's like I have mixed emotions at that time. So
to me, and I'll be so alone without you.
Making friends in CU is never difficult, as this is the most family-oriented university in the country.
Next, to exercise general supervision over the affairs and activities of the organization. So whatever affairs that we get into, the president should always be there. The president cannot keep out.
Well, the faculty here or our professors are, well, they're a little bit nice, but a little bit strict and cool. And some of the professors are, well, a little bit fast and nerve-wracking.
My feelings during enrollment was mixed emotions. I felt afraid, nervous, happy, and excited.
Oh, don't smile. Kasi normally in an interview, you don't smile, right?
Dapat select one.
Yes.
Cherva.
It's not yours, right?
Well, my hopes here in C. Well, I hope to graduate though, but I don't know if I can graduate because I don't know the future. I'm not Sandman or something, but I will try to study hard so I can earn my diploma, graduate with a bachelor marketing. So I would just like to graduate here. That's all.
For them, it's stepping into the challenge and taking it in Capital University, hopefully finishing a college degree.
See you.
Maybe you'll be lonesome too.